Yo, Yum Yum, what's up? Beep. Boo boo. Say hi to YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna put your little butt on YouTube, Yum Yum. Mr. Yum-Yum. Aw, you playing with that ball? Did you throw that off? Hey, whoa. Is that your house? Hey, ew. Let's go on the house. Let's go to your house, Yum Yum. This is Yum Yum's house. It's kind of dark in there. No. You got some meatballs? Big ball, blue ball. Who cares? Okay. He's got that ball. That ball. He likes the frog. Hey, stop yelling. Get the ball. Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. Say hi. You will fight me? Oh, did you fight me? Hey. You mean? I thought you were cute. Fluffy. Don't bite me. Don't get me. Oh, don't bite me. Mr. Yum-Yum's a cute little dog. He's a weenie dog. Aren't you a weenie? It's your weenie. Grab the big ball. Bow. Dun dun dun. We will make a movie of Mr. Yum-Yum on January 14th, 2010. Sorry. He also likes Britney Spears. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. I broke something. Oh, crap. Check out our crib. Big ball. Where's Yum Yum? Where's Yum Yum? Where's Yum Yum? Yum Yum.